Hello mga kapakbet! Since one of our goals here in Pakbet TV and as a Feng Shui Master is to simplify Feng Shui for everyone, kaya isasama ko ngayon dito sa Taguig City kung paano ako nag-audit ng isang residential house. First visit, una, initial consultation and site visit with the client. Pangalawa, inspect the interior at exterior environment ng bahay. Pangatlo, assess the facing at seating direction of the house using a lupan. Pang-apat, ask a personal information of the client and the other family members and their preferences. Mahalaga to para malaman natin saan dapat at akmang ipwesto ang kama, study table or office table for family members. Panglima, pinaka-importante at pinaka-matrabaho, draw up a flying star chart, analyze it, and incorporate the 5 elements. Pang-anim, analyze the interior design of the house with its floor plan. Gumagawa din ako ng perspective para mas lalong maintindihan ni client. Pang-pito, apply the flying star chart at kung anong recommendations ko bilang isang Feng Shui Master. Second visit. Yes, nagsi-second visit ako ng property kapakbet. Ayokong may ma-miss out na detalye sa bahay. Ang pag-Feng Shui audit for me ay isang responsibilidad kasi it will affect the career, health at wealth aspect ng family members. Kung mali-mali ang ginagawa mo, masisira at maapektuhan lahat yon. Pang-siyam, final consultation sa client. Gusto ko din ako mismo ang nagdi-discuss sa client para maintindihan nila yung recommendations at adjustments na gagawin nila. Bilang dyan natatapos, I do a series of follow-ups kung kamusta lahat ng family members. Tandaan na hindi magic ang Feng Shui. It takes time. Pwedeng 3 or 6 months or even a year bago mo makita yung positive changes sa loob ng bahay mo. Ayun lang, sa tingin mo, madali bang mag-Feng Shui ng bahay kapakbet? Tandaan, hindi lahat ng napapanood at nakikita mo online ay tama sa bahay mo. Sana ay may natutunan kayong bago mula sa amin. At sana, bahay mo naman ang sunod kong mabisita. Master Michael here, simplifying Feng Shui for everyone.